Hello everyone, it's Madam Eileen. We're here to do some more balloon fun. Today, we're going to work on a spoon. I have my electric inflator here, Legenda, first generation. You want to inflate your balloon with a good sized tail. Let a hiss of air out. That helps the balloon be soft, and you tie a knot. We're going to start with the bowl of the spoon. So you want to make 2 tiny pinch twists. So I pinch, I twist. I'm not letting go of either the top or the bottom, always keeping a hold on it. I'm going to pinch the knot, pull it so it's parallel to the joint, pull it up and twist. A lot of people call this the pull twist. Some people like to call it a pinch twist. Some people like it the ear twist. This twist is known by many names. I pinched a similar sized bubble. I'm going to take that first pinch twist and go sideways so that is across from each other. I pull it up, pull the bubble up, and I twist it around. Now I have 2 tiny bubbles. When you make pinch twists, they turn into a little bean shape. And you can actually start planning that little shape because it could become a pair of fish lips. Or unicorn lips, put the big one on the top, small one on the bottom. Now we're making a spoon. So I'm going to do 2 bubbles that are a little bit bigger, not by much. Push them together. Now with this one, I'm going to pinch this one slightly smaller as I roll it into underneath those 2 pinch twists. Now that it's jammed in there, if I just rotate the balloon, it's going to want to walk its way around. Give it a squeeze. It moves the air down the length of the balloon, but it also makes this little area that we're going to work with soft. And you only want the area that you're working with soft. We're just making a little spoon, so I'm wrapping around those 2 bubbles. This bubble is balanced perfectly into fitting into this groove here that these 2 bubbles that we made. Now that I'm across from the pinch twist, I pinch and I twist. When I pinch, it makes it smaller, so when I start twisting around and into the pinch twist, it'll go around. Now you don't want to go around pinch twists too often or they'll break. Now I'm going to pull these 2 little pinch twists apart and I'm going to roll the balloon to the center. This is my spoon, and now I'm going to break off a little length. What if I want a decorative spoon? I'm going to do 3 pinch twists. Once you get that first pinch twist done, the rest is easy. I'm going to do 2 bubbles of the same size, so that makes 2 pinch twists of the same size. And then I'm going to squeeze it so it's soft, pinch a larger bubble. I'm going to pinch twist it. But you know what that makes? It makes for a little tiny loop. I'm looking at my little loop and saying, does that say I'm a decorative spoon? Could this be a little bit bigger? It could be. I'm going to break this off. Ah, yes. Now this is a chrome balloon. If I just let go, air could still leak out of it, so I like to put my thumb underneath and wrap around into the joint, back to my thumb. Then I catch the tail with my thumb and I pull it through the loop to kind of create a knot. And that'll keep the air from escaping. Now to make the balloon look more bowl-like, I can push down and position this loop just a little bit higher so there's more of a dip. So here is my balloon spoon. We're going to have delicious fun with this in a little bit. Till the next video. Bye.